In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Pay to handle your crypto transactions instantly. Whether you're paying a friend or managing your funds, we will go through each step to ensure you feel confident using Binance Pay. Let's start our journey by navigating to the Binance dashboard. If you're not already signed in, just go ahead and log in with your credentials. The Binance dashboard is the main hub for all your activities, offering a clear overview of your account. Once you're on the dashboard, your next move is to locate the wallet icon. It's up there in the top right. Clicking on it will bring a drop-down list of options related to your finances. Now, from the list, look for Funding and click on it. This takes you directly to the Funding page, which is crucial for managing your payment methods and selecting currencies. You'll notice a range of cryptocurrencies listed here. Pick the currency that you want to use for your transaction. It's quite straightforward. Next to the currency, you'll find a small icon with 3 dots. Clicking on these dots reveals the option to send that specific currency. Say you've decided on which friend to send to. At this point, you'll be directed to a page where you can enter their email or phone number, whoever is the lucky recipient of your funds. Make sure to double-check these details to avoid sending to the wrong person. When you're ready, click on Continue. The next page prompts you to enter the exact amount you wish to send. Decide on the amount, and don't forget, it's always a nice touch to add a personal message. It could be something simple, just to let them know who it's from or what it's for. After adding your message, click Continue again. You'll be asked to select the account you want to use. This is where you ensure everything is in order for the transaction. Before proceeding, there's an important setup step. Ensure you have a pay pin configured. This adds a layer of security to your transactions. If you haven't set it yet, navigate to Settings, then find Pay PIN and choose Create PIN. Input a secure PIN code and click Confirm. This step is crucial to protecting your funds. Once your PIN is set, you're ready to click Deposit Now. Double-check all the transaction details, enter your pay PIN to confirm everything. And that's it. With these steps, you're now fully equipped to use Binance Pay for instant crypto transactions. Feel free to revisit this guide if you need a refresher, and happy transacting.